amazing light. ऐक ना असं बाप दिसतंय ग वेदर आहे.
I know.
वाव.
वेदर खूप बाप आहे
या
पण थंडी नको पाहिजे.
थंडी नको यार. तेच तर नाही आवडत त्याला.
warmer.
या न्यूझीचं तेच नाही आवडत. फक्त वेदर खूपच थंडी असते.
See, look at the light.
Yeah, I know, right? Hi, what's up and welcome back to my channel, guys. Another video, another day. एक वीक से मैंने पूरा vlog नहीं डाला था because I was just like resting. बहुत सारी चीज़ें बीच में आके गई because of the ticket cancellation and things, you know, right? My last video was like the farewell, and after that मैंने कुछ post नहीं किया था. But I'm back today with another vlog with the same people, you know. So we're in the car right now. Me and M. M is driving the car. So we are on our way to the train station and we're gonna go pick up Sneha today. So I've called her for dinner. कुछ नहीं ऐसी chicken और इसका plan था like usually because last time Mrun makes amazing chicken by the way. Last time हमने chicken और Lebanese bread cook किया था. So which turned out to be amazing. Like it was the best chicken I ever had. Of course it was not the last time I met all my friends. I mean it's good. it's good. I hope Sneha has reached already. Otherwise हमको रुकना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा. Guys, look at the weather. It's 5ish na 5:30.
5. Oh no, it's almost 6 o'clock.
Is it? It's 6 o'clock and look at the weather. Beautiful, but it's very windy out there. That's the only problem.
And cold.
And very cold, yeah. आम्ही पोचलोय पण ती अजून दिसत नाहीये काय. She's not here as usual. Sneha is late.
What I'll do ki I will go and park
तिथे पार्क केली तर?
there.
Yeah,
I'll go
yeah.
there and I'll park.
इथे ना आम्ही एक ब्लॅक स्विफ्ट मध्ये थांबलोय. पम पम पम.
No new cases in the community.
Yeah.
ए पण ऐक ना त्या ट्रकचं you were telling me something and then
नाही काय नाही, खूप मोठी ट्रक होती. खूप अशी एकदम इथून त्या फिएस्टा किचन पर्यंत तेवढी आणि ती डायरेक्ट अशी कोलॅप्स झाली ब्रिजवर.
कोणी मेलं गेलं नाही ना?
नाही. होप नॉट. आय डोंट नो.
So the road is blocked.
सोडो रोड इज ब्लॉक्ड. आणि इतका डेंजर झालेला की
म्हणजे जायच्या
तुला माहिती दोन्ही अफेक्ट झालाय. इट इज सो बॅड की ते ना इट क्रॉस्ड द डिवायडर आणि असं हाफ झालाय आता. देयर वॉज अ वेरी बैड एक्सीडेंट टुडे ऑन हार्बर ब्रिज. नॉर्थ शोर नाम का एक जगह है यहाँ पे. तो अ बिग ट्रक आई थिंक क्रैश्ड ऑन द मेन हार्बर ब्रिज. बहुत बड़ा हार्बर ब्रिज है यहाँ पे विच कनेक्ट्स द नॉर्थ शोर एंड द मेन ऑकलैंड सिटी. तो पूरे टाइम हार्बर ब्रिज बनता. आई मीन not that you guys need to know, but yeah, just for information.
Hi.
What's up?
What's up? जाऊ?
Yes. So माझं असं होणार आहे की इथे 6 months थंडी केली मी and then now I'm going back to winters again. So it's like पूर्ण full year मी winter मध्येच राहिलोय असं होणार.
आणि I think नाशिक is
It is very cold. Yeah, नाशिक is super cold.
कारण पुणे एवढं नाहीये.
नाही.
आहे पण it's not too much.
जळगाव
खूप थंड असतं.
काय बोलशील?
प्रत्येक सीझन मध्ये
हा.
थंडी आणि समर मध्ये खूपच असते.
आबास इज कॉलिंग. हॅलो.
काय करण मला?
काय रे आबा? झालं आम्ही पिक केलंच नाही. What's up? I see you again. I see you again.
Yes.
Like finally.
Oh no.
I thought I was not going to see you again. But here we are.
मग आता केव्हाची? 1st ऑक्टोबर.
3rd October.
3rd ऑक्टोबर.
3rd ची फ्लाईट केली आहे. पण काय कन्फर्म नाही. आय एम नॉट गोना टेल यू गाईज व्हॉट इज कन्फर्म बिकॉज 4-10 वेळा कॅन्सल झाले ऑलरेडी. आता मी डायरेक्टली कन्फर्म तेव्हा करणार जेव्हा मी इंडियात असणार आहे. डायरेक्टली आई बाबांबरोबर किंवा फॅमिली बरोबर ब्लॉग करणार आहे आणि दॅट्स वेन यू गाईज नो की इट्स कन्फर्म्ड. है ना? कुठे गेलेली तू आज? कुठे होती?
आज घरीच होती मी.
फुल डे. ओके. आला टप्पू कौन है? So we are home guys and preps चल रहा है cooking के.
So then the marinated chicken.
Yeah. So we've got the Lebanese bread here and then marinated chicken and it's going to be really good.
शिरो, स्नेहाला ट्रिक्स दाखव. ट्रिक्स.
चल आपण ट्रिक्स करूया. चल. काय देऊ?
बिस्किट दे.
Hello. Sit. Good. Shake hand.
High five.
Oh, high five. High five. Round.
Good boy.
Play then. Play then.
नहीं पहले down यार.
Oh, sorry. Down. Play then.
Oh, how cute.
पुढे गेला. Just sit.
Sneha's gonna do the tricks now. Shiro.
विचार मागते.
थांब नाही नको देऊ शिरो हे बघ त्याला असं करायचं सिट गुड बॉय ये आता तू या नो सिट गुड हे घे नको देऊ त्याला सिट एकदम फॉर्म म्हण हां
Sit, Shiro.
सिट शिरो या हाय फाय कर
High five.
थोडं खाली बस
Oh, high five. Oh.
बोलतात का ते?
बोलतात ना मग
Okay.
कुकी त्याचं नाव कुकी आहे
Cookie.
तिच्याशी बोलते असं करे बघ हे बघ ते पण करतो
चिवचिव करतो असं वाटतं ना.
याचं नाव काय?
मिमी
Mimi.
So I'm gonna teach you how to make salad for the chicken. I mean not salad but just onions. I mean, so first you cut onions in a bhanda. You take a lemon. You cut the lemon into half. You squeeze the lemon in. Right? Very hard. Not everyone can do this. Then,
Shiro wants to help you. Hi, Shiro.
Shiro, you wanna have some lemon? Kundu? lemon
Aww.
नाही?
I have never tried.
ते तू रिॲक्शन बघितलं?
हा, reactions असतात ना.
चल आपण बोलू सर एकदा. तो आलाच आहे थांब एक. So guys, if you've watched videos online, dogs ला लोक lemon देतात. We're gonna see the reaction of Shiro now.
थांब एक सेकंड मी पण हे करते.
Wow. Lemon. Try it. No?
He smelled it, I guess, already. That's why.
तर आवडलं. It's very new to him. He wants to try it. काहीच नाही chill आहे खूप chill आहे. एम तो काहीच नाही रिॲक्ट करत आहे.
He's actually liking it.
Did he eat it?
He's like बस एवढंच मिळत चल. So you put crushed chili in it थोड़ा सा. ठीक है? Then you put some salt. Right, you put some salt in it. That's it.
झालं?
That's it, guys. 5-star chicken
Raj's
cider.
kitchen.
Subscribe to my channel. मी नवीन channel उघडणार आहे Raj's kitchen.
Almost done, okay?
Finally, we're making cha for the chai girl, specially.
And hopefully it tastes good.
Hopefully, नाही तुझा चहा खूप भारी होतोय.
It will.
Yeah.
गार्लिक वगैरे ठेचून.
Yeah, I know. This is for chicken.
Oh.
This is not for cha. Cheers.
Cheers.
How's it? The verdict from the chai girl.
बेस्ट.
सुंदर.
घरच्या चहाची आठवण झाली मला. Proper.
शूटर आहे बोललो ना मी तुला. M is shooter chai wala. So the chicken is ready. Guys, look at the chicken. Oh my god. आणि ही काहीतरी करते एडी. That's apple bread. Yeah, no, official apple's a bread है.
अच्छा अजून काही?
Okay guys, so मैंने Instagram पे story डाली थी a few minutes ago, maybe 10 minutes ago, and I asked you guys to ask us questions on Instagram. मैंने एक छोटा सा window डाला था, ask any questions नाम से. So me and Sneha are going to answer a lot of questions. तुम लोगों के जो भी questions है. Whenever we post a video, me and Sneha, बहुत सारे comments आते हैं लोगों के. And we're also going to review funny comments. So we're going to read the comments and answer a few questions for you guys. Are you ready? Fun. Okay, first one, Manoj Bhise. Manoj Bhise says, "Are you guys dating?" Of course. That's like the question that we get every day.
The way you said, of course.
I mean,
yes,
of course
we are
not. We're not dating, but of course we get that question every single day. Looks amazing together, and then he says, "Lakshmi Narayanacha joda." Oh God. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're not dating, bro. So yeah, Manoj. Next one is, please include Sneha in every video. You both look cute. Says Shubham Kore. I'm trying to include her in every video. See,
Yeah.
Shubham, you're welcome.
That is so cute.
AK Patel says only. Okay, so this was my video, and AK Patel ने comment किया है, only here to see Sneha, and नीचे शिखर तिवारी ने किया turkey. He's like turkey.
This one is epic.
भाइयों बच्चे रहना बाकी सब टच में है. I don't know, बहुत बड़ा नाम है इसका. So he's asking or he's saying भाई बहन की अद्भुत जोड़ी. So yeah, cool. We'll take it. भाई बहन की अद्भुत जोड़ी. खूप फनी कमेंट्स आलेत गाईज. खूप फनी म्हणजे ना.
We enjoy it.
We enjoy it. म्हणजे ना कधी कधी ना कमेंट्स तुमचे एवढे फनी असतात की like we just send it to each other. Screenshot काढून की look what people are saying and it's so stupid. Hey Pat म्हणतोय, are you guys doing hookups?
Kill me please.
आणि खाली म्हणतोय कोणीतरी हरीश चंदारिया says sometimes we do.
What does that even mean?
I don't know, man. He knows that we do. Yeah, he knows it better, I guess. And मैंने जो पोस्ट किया था उस पे सब क्वेश्चंस आए अभी. So Priyanka Modi, Pika, what's up Pika? You're asking when are you coming back? I'm coming back on the 3rd of October, hopefully. Pika is my very good friend, so she's questioned. Sanya Malhotra is asking, what is this amazing vlog what is this amazing vlog be about? Excited. Yeah, it's just a chill vlog. So me, Abhas, Mrun, Sneha, M is cooking chicken, and Sneha is just here to chill out. And yeah, that's what the vlog is.
This is my first time here.
Yeah. But Aditya 2175 is asking, does Sneha have any plans to come back to Nasik after everything is normal or post pandemic? Will you be coming to Nasik?
Nasik.
Yeah.
If I'll visit India, I'll definitely go visit Nasik.
Okay.
Visit you.
I'll go to Jalgaon, she'll come to Nasik.
Jalgaon, yes.
Pratik Shag is saying you both look like siblings.
Twinning,
Yeah. We don't know whether we should take it as a compliment or not, but yeah, thanks. I Cannot Shut Up is asking, did you guys live together? Yeah, we did. So we were like flatmates for like 1 year. 1 year,
Almost
yeah.
1 year.
Yeah, so we were living in the same house, but we never vlogged together. We started shooting after we moved out.
Yes.
When are you getting married?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No plans yet.
Okay. When she'll get a good guy. We just had a 15-minute window, and उसमें 15 minutes में जो भी questions आए, we answered all of them. It was fun.
Thank
right?
you for your questions.
Yeah, thank you so much guys, and enjoy the vlog. Guys, sorry for the people जिनके मैं questions answer नहीं कर पाया because I had kept a window of 15 minutes, and वो 15 minutes में जिन्होंने मुझे message किया था मैंने quickly देखा and then we replied. But now अगर कोई लोग मुझे भेज रहे हैं तो I'm not going to reply, so I'm so sorry. So guys, plates are ready and it's dinner time. Look who's here. Say hi to Abbas. Abbas workout को गया था F45. Yeah. You actually look थोड़ा सा buffed. Size वाढली actually. Damn. God, look at this.
How cute he is.
Are you high on chicken right now, Sneha?
I am chicken and chai.
औरत पर हाथ डालने वाले की उंगलियां नहीं काटते हैं उसका
Oh shit! Guys, waffles with maple syrup and chocolate ice cream
Yummy.
is for desserts. What do you think about it?
I'm so excited. The smell of it.
आपण खूप खाल्लं ना chicken.
खूप जास्त.
Yeah.
This is a healthier ice cream. No sugar. No added sugar.
Ah, okay. Natural.
And look at this guy. Gullu wants
I
everything.
हम ही खा रहे because how
I want the chocolate ice cream. Shiro, which ice cream do you want?
और खाली को चढ़ा दिया
टाइम आ गया guys.
Time is up.
Time is up. It's 11. उधर से जॉब है ना?
Yes.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock in the morning.
Are you gonna go?
Yes, that's the plan.
That's the plan. I don't think you're gonna go because it's 11 now. You're gonna go home 12
So I
still,
think 5 hours of sleep is enough for me.
and then you're gonna go home and then surf on your phone for another 1 hour. So, you guys, so we just dropped Sneha home right now. So we went all the way to the city to drop her because it was not safe at night. I'm gonna go to sleep now. It's like 12:30. So yeah, the farewell meet was definitely not the last time I met my friends. You know, so this always happens, right? Like when you तुम जब भी TV देखते हो या फिर when you sit to eat and you decide what to watch, you know, there's always a conflict कि नहीं ये देखना है वो देखना है. So we ended up watching Bahubali 2, and these guys were planning to watch a scary movie, like a horror movie. But I'm very scared, so I never watch a horror movie. So we basically decided to watch Bahubali the whole time. Like कभी-कभी ऐसे होता है कि you just don't feel like vlogging sometimes, but it becomes a regularity because तुम everyday करते हो तो वो ऐसा एक habit बन जाता है कि हाँ चलो let's pull out the camera and let's do something. But I always try to vlog as much as I can because this is what I want to do in future for I think rest of my life. I mean, you know, like daily vlogging. I promised you guys whenever I come back to India, I'm going to start daily vlogging because this is what I want to do. Like seriously. इसलिए this is the reason why I'm quitting my job in New Zealand. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है कि why have you quit your job in New Zealand and you know वहाँ पे सब कुछ अच्छा था तो why are you quitting and coming back to India? So for all the people who's watching, this is the reason why I'm coming back to India. Setting up a career in what I want and what I like. I like to make videos. I like to be in front of the camera and I like to entertain people, and there's so many people watching me right now. So nothing like it, man. I mean, this makes me really happy. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, I will definitely start daily vlogging. So please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed because बहुत मेहनत लगती है guys video बनाने में, and you know, day and night editing and then you know posting, and there's a lot of things, man. There's a lot. So thank you so much for the people who've already subscribed. It's a good night. I'm very tired, man. Like I don't know. I look fresh right now because like my face थोड़ा सा like I've washed. Even my hair look good. I've washed my face. But anyway, which ways, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more vlogs. I'm not gonna tell you anything about when I'm coming back because that's completely up to the tickets now. Because मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत fake information दे चुका हूँ. I mean false. I mean मेरी गलती भी नहीं थी because cancel हो रहे थे, right? So अभी लोगों को ऐसे हो गया कि are you even coming back or not? So until then, good night. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe please. And as I always say, take care and peace out.